start the class. So we'll start the class with welcome song. Start kare. Are you ready, everyone? Chalo, let's start. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day, and welcome back on the same time. Okay, and thank you so much parents for your cooperation. All right, kids, now we'll sing God's Love together. Chalo, let's start everyone. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Okay, kids. Now, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. Everyone sit properly. So, today, the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. And the date is 19 August 2021. 19 August 2021. Okay. So, kids, now let's talk about the weekdays of weekdays. So, how many days are there in week? एक week में कितने days होते हैं? How many days? Yes, Gaurav. 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. So, let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the holiday. Okay. Now, how many days are there in a year? Months. How many months are there in a year? एक year में कितने months होते हैं? There are 12 months. How many months? 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. So we can't count on the fingers as we are having only 10 fingers and the months are 12. So let's say the months together. Start everyone. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. So, yes, so kids, now let's start the class. So, first of all, today we are going to do our GK work. Okay, everyone? So, get your GK copies. Sorry, not to GK. Just a minute. Yes, your GK copy, right. So, get your GK copy. Today we are going to revise names of 5 winter fruits. We had already written summer fruits 2 times. हमने summer fruits को 2 times लिख लिया था. Now Today we are going to revise names of 5 winter fruits. Winter means सर्दी का मौसम. So सर्दी में जो fruits हम mostly आते हैं, that we are going to write. Winter fruits. ठीक है? So everyone write down the heading. Write names of 5 winter fruits. Write names of 5 winter fruits. We have to write down the names of 5 winter fruits. We had already written it in our previous class. Today we are going to revise it. So write down the heading. Yes, first of all, before heading, what you all have to write? You have to write today's date. The date is 19/8/2021. 19/8/2021. August is going on and August is the 8th month of a year. So we have to write 8 in the date instead of August. So write down the date first. That is 19/8/2021. And after writing the date, you have to write down the heading. Write names of 5 winter fruits. Names of 5 winter fruits. Write down the date first and then you have to write down the heading. Come on, write down fast. Everyone, it's a humble request to all of you. Kindly switch on the camera. Kindly switch on the camera. So, write down the heading. Write names of 5 winter fruits. Okay? Chalo, now let's start writing. Number 1. Number 1 is, come on, as I used to say every time, first of all, whatever thing you are writing, you should read it first. And then you have to write it in the copy. So read down first. ORANGE. Orange. Read it first and then write. Come on. ORANGE. 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 Read it first and then write in the copy. ORANGE. Orange. Say and write बच्चों. आप read करोगे उसे, then it becomes easy for you to write. Read it and write it. Now, number 2. Okay, ma'am, no problem. Take care of them. Now, the next one is grapes. 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 G-R-A-P-E-S. Look, there is one blend here. G-R, gr. I told you earlier also that point out everything in the sentence in the words. Digraph, blends, where A has come, where an has come, like this. You have to point out each and everything. ताकि आपका revision हो. So look, in this word there is one blend, GR. So GR makes gr. It's okay, Limakshi. It's okay. Start writing. So G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Grapes. So we are writing winter fruits here, Limakshi. You just take out your GK copy and write it down. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Grapes. Say and write. Read the word first and then write it in the copy. ठीक है? G-R-A, gray. P-E-S, grapes. Grapes. Then, written everyone? Orange and grapes. So we are writing the names of 5 winter fruits. सर्दी में आने वाले fruits को, mostly जो सर्दी में आते हैं. Then, strawberry. Look, one more blend is there, S-T, star. S-T-R-A-W, straw. Then, B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. S-T-R-A-W, straw. B-E-R-R-Y, berry, strawberry. Orange, grapes, strawberry. Read and then write. Parents, it's a request to you. Kindly make sure that they read each and everything before writing. S-T-R-A-W, straw, B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Strawberry. Okay. So as I don't have space here, so can I erase the heading in the first word? I think everyone has written. Okay. Now, number 4 is apple. A-P, app. P-L-E, pal, apple. Apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-P, app. P-L-E, pal, apple. Do not lean on the copy, everyone. Done? Now, number 5 is guava. G U A V A. Guava. G U A V A. Guava. Read down everything before writing it in the copy. Again and again, I'm telling the same thing to you, that you have to read each and everything before writing, because it's very important to read. It will enhance your vocabulary. That's why I'm saying it again and again. Okay? G U A V A. Guava. Okay? Apple and guava. Your numeracy skill book, page number 4444. I'm writing the page number and the book name in the chat box. Your numeracy book, skill book, page number 44. I had written the book name and the page number in the chat box. In case of any problem, you kindly see there. So, ordinals, yes. So, kids, pay attention here. We are talking about ordinals. We are talking about ordinals. So, I told you, ordinals are the numbers which shows the position of something. ऐसे numbers जो किसी भी चीज की position बताएं. They are ordinals. Like look, there are few things. There are few things in a line given here. Okay. So if I ask you कि बेटा चलो come on you tell me first number पे कौन सा picture है, first number पे कौन सी thing है. So what you are going to say? First number पे क्या है यहाँ पर? On the first position, ball. So we write here ball. Ball is in the first. Ball is on the first position. So ordinal numbers are those numbers which shows the position of something in a series. ऐसे नंबर जो किसी भी चीज की किसी भी पर्सन की पोजीशन बताए कि वो कौन सी पोजीशन पर है, whether they are on first, second, third, fourth, fifth, कौन सी पोजीशन पर है, जो नंबर्स ये बताते हैं they are known as ordinal numbers. Okay, now मैंने आपसे पूछा कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर कौन सा है, तो बॉल इज ऑन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन, है ना. नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू कि टेल मी बलून इज इन विच पोजीशन, बलून कौन सी पोजीशन पर है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू काउंट फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. तो बलून इज ऑन फोर्थ पोजीशन. ठीक है. So these are ordinal numbers which are showing the position of something in a series, in a line. ठीक है. Now star is on which position? Star is on second position. Okay. So ये जो numbers है जो position बता रहे हैं, they are known as ordinal numbers. Then kite. Kite is on third position. हाँ, yes, one more thing. ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स कभी भी 1 2 3 नहीं कहलाते. कभी हम ऐसे नहीं कहेंगे कि बॉल 1 नंबर पर है, स्टार 2 नंबर पर है. नो, वी ऑलवेज से लाइक दिस. बॉल इज ऑन फर्स्ट पोजीशन, स्टार इज ऑन सेकंड पोजीशन, काइट इज ऑन थर्ड पोजीशन, balloon is on fourth position, and the cap is on fifth position. So ये जो numbers things की position बता रहे हैं, they are known as ordinal numbers. If you are having any kind of problem in ordinal numbers, you kindly ask me. I'm going to repeat it one more time. ठीक है? You kindly feel free to ask me anytime. The numbers which shows the position of something, person, things, animals, anything. So they are known as ordinal numbers. जब कोई numbers किसी भी चीज की position बताए, so they are ordinal numbers. Like ball is on first position, the star is on second position, kite is on third position, balloon is on fourth position, and the cap is on fifth position. So these are ordinal numbers. Now you tell me, if you are having any kind of problem कि ordinal number क्या होते हैं, you ask me, I repeat it one more time. Any problem, anyone? All right. Chalo. So now kids, open your page number 4444. So in this page, you have to match the ordinals with their names. Ordinals को उनकी spelling के साथ हमें match करना है. Okay. This will not going to come in exam. This number names of ordinals. ठीक है? This is just for practice. Ordinals will come in the exam, but the number names of ordinals are not going to come. So do not panic about it. Okay. So first one is done for you. First. So first को देखो उसकी spelling के साथ match कर रखा है. FIRST first. Same thing you have to do. Okay. The first number is fourth. So find out the spelling number name of fourth. It is here only. FOURTH. Fourth. So you have to match it with its correct number name. Now, come to next. What is written here? Ninth. Nine के आगे TH लगा है. TH sound th. So ninth. ठीक है? So find out the number name for ninth. It is here. NINTH. 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 So you have to match the ordinal with its correct number name. Ninth. Yes, Columbi, go. Ninth. Okay. Now the next one is seventh. So find out the number name for seventh. So it is here. Look. SEVEN 7. और उसमें हम TH लगाएंगे तो it becomes seventh. So you have to match number seventh with its correct number name. Seventh. Done? Now, the next one is second. Second. So you have to find the number name. Here it is. SECOND. 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 So match second with the number name. Again I am repeating. जो हम लोग जब भी ऑर्डिनल्स लिखते हैं, when we are writing the ordinal numbers, kabhi bhi 2, 1, 3, 4 ऐसे नहीं होंगे. Always we used to say first, second, third, fourth in this way. To match the second. Now, the next one is sixth. Sixth. So here it is the number name SIX 6 and TH th. Sixth. Sixth. Okay, come to next. Third. So, where's the number name for third? Here it is. THIRD. Third. Then ordinals we always used to say in the same manner. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Then next one is 10th. TENTH. 10th. So here it is. Match number 10th with the correct ordinal. The next one is 8th. So EIGHTH. 8th. So match the number name with its ordinal. And the last one is 5th. FIFTH. 5th. Here it is. Okay. So if the meetings end in between, kindly assume it as a screen break. We'll start the class after 8, after 10 minutes. So I request to parents, you kindly check the books. You kindly check the books yourself. Mothers, fathers, it's a request to you. You kindly check it. If the meeting ends, you kindly assume it as a screen break. Okay. So in this way, you have to complete. You have to match the ordinal numbers with its correct number names. Done, everyone?